Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to test tilt controls on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So, the best way to tilt them, what you guys want to do is, if you want to test them, to tilt them, you need to go over into settings, then you go to gestures, and here, as you guys can see, whenever I move something, it won't work properly. But if I just click show all tilts in real time, we're gonna click start here. Now we can test the tilts. As you guys can see, now it's switched to left tilt because we did a 360. It's a 180 right now, and it is 180. So as you guys can see, we can just go over and have some fun with tilting. We can also tilt it backward like this, forward like that, and you can see that it is also changing in the app. So that's how you guys can test your tilts. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.